I would like to proceed.
Magogo Mbete, sicela usilalele. We did not send you to the Constitutional Court to represent Parliament. We did not sit here and take a resolution that you must oppose that particular application in Parliament. If you asked us, if you had the decency to ask us of our opinion, we could have told you we are going to win, and therefore you must suga endleleni so that it can be Jacob Gedleyihlekisa delinquent Zuma, so that he can pay back the money that he spent in Nkandla. So you are illegitimate. There is no other way. It's a question of conscience. It's a question of the ruling. It's not a question as well of the rules that we have here. It's that you lack judgment. You're a constitutional illiterate. You can't understand. Even at the press conference, you continued to embarrass everything that we represent in this house. Let somebody competent who has shown competence approach, step down. You'll come back on other business that is not so important in relation to the removal of the president. We want to remove Zuma today. Please step down.